Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swapnil Srivastav and welcome back to YouTube channel. So guys, few days ago I had made a video on how to run the Kali Linux 19.4 on Android phone using the official method given by the Kali itself, and that video was running the Kali Linux on the Termex app. And today I'm just going to update that video and I'm going to show you that how to run the Kali Linux 2020.3 on an Android phone. So the method is almost the same because it is the official method given by the Kali itself, and I'm making this video because most of you commented on my previous videos that just make a video on how to run the Kali Linux 2020.3 on Android phone. That is the latest version of the Kali Linux available right now. Okay guys, so before starting this video, I have a small request to all of you. So just go to the description, you will find a Telegram channel link of my YouTube channel. So just go there and just open it, and the name of the channel is the Geeky Drive. So just go and join there, and I will just update all the latest upcoming videos information there. And even if you have any question, any queries, just comment down below. I will try to help you there. Okay, so don't forget to follow and join me on my Telegram channel, and the link will be given in the description. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting our time. So here you can see guys, I'm on my smartphone, and first of all you have to go to description and you will find a link to this website. So simply click on that link and it will open something like this. Okay, so this is in a certain website, and you simply need to just click on this "मैं robot नहीं हूँ," something like this. This is some type of captcha. Just click on this and it will just show here tick mark. Just slide down and click on this, click here to continue. Okay, so it will open some ad like this. So simply click on the back button and again click on the click here to continue. Again click on the back, and now you can see it will say something like this: your link is almost ready. So it will open something like this. It will show some timer here that 10 seconds is left. So just wait here to timer to complete. So here you can see the timer has started, and now 3 seconds is left, 2 seconds and 1. So now you simply just slide down from here and click on this get link. Okay, just click on back. It will again open the ad, and now you will just redirect it to this website, and here you will find all the description regarding this video, that how to do this, and all the required commands will be available here. So you have to just come this website and just follow the instruction that I'm going to show you. Now the next thing is that you have to download and install some app. So for that, just simply go to the Play Store like this and just search here for Termex. So just type your Termex. Here you can see. So you have to first of all download and install the one app called Termex. So Termex will help us to install the Kali Linux using the official method given by Kali itself. So simply click on the install, and it will take a little bit of time to download. So here you can see the download process completed. Now click on the open, and it will show something like this, and here you have to just type the command pkg update. So just type here pkg like this, pkg update, and hit enter. Here you can see it started the updation process. Now type y here and hit enter like this. So here you can see it will ask you again. So just type here y and hit enter, and I again give y and hit enter, and now you can see the updation process is completed for Termex. Now the next thing you have to do is simply just go back to the website that you opened. So the link is given in description. So just open it. Here you can see. Now when this link will open like this, you have to just go to this installation heading, and here you will find the NetHunter Store app to download. So simply just click on this and it will open something like this. Simply click on the download store app, and it will ask for you to download. Click on the download and save this Kali NetHunter app store. So this is the official app from the Kali itself, from where you can just download all the required files for this process. You can see now it's downloaded. Click on the open. Now click on the install, and you can see it's installing, and now just click on the done. Now after this, just simply go back to the website. Here you can see, and Now you have to just click on this pkg install wget command. So here you can see there are some commands given here. So first of all, just simply copy the first command. Let me focus here. Here you can see we have to copy the first command, that is pk install wget. Click on copy and just go back to the Termux app. Here you can see, now just paste the command here like this, and now just hit enter. Here you can see it's checking for the package. Now it will ask you for type Y. Just type here Y, and after that hit enter. Here you can see it's downloading the wget package. So after this process will complete, you have to go back to your home screen, okay, and just search here for NetHunter store. So just type here. Here you can see, so this is the icon of the NetHunter store. Simply click on it and it will open something like this. So here you have to download the first app, that is Hackers Keyboard. Just type the name Hackers Keyboard and just download it. So as I already downloaded it, I'm not going to download and install it again, but you have to download and install the Hackers Keyboard. And now again the next thing is that you have to download and install the NetHunter CAX. So here you can see you will not if you don't find it on the home screen, so simply just click on this search icon and just, you can see, so just type in NetHunter CAX. It will open something like this, and now click on the install, and now click on the install again. So it will start the installation process, and now you can see it's downloaded and installed. So you have to download and install the Hackers Keyboard and NetHunter CAX from this app. Okay, now you have to go back to the website that I given in the description. Here you can see, now as I already downloaded, so now you can see as I already completed the first command, that is the pkg install wget. Now you have to go and just copy the second command, that is from wget up to Termux, like this, and now click on the copy, and now just go back to the Termux app. Here you can see, and now just paste that command that you copied. Now paste it here, and now you can see it started some download process, and here you can see it will show some command like this. Now click on the enter, and now you have to simply type here ls. ls is for listing the contents of the current directory. So as I run the script earlier, you can see now it's downloaded some file here. So basically this is the script file which will help us to download and install NetHunter from the Kali Linux server. So first of all, simply type it dot, or even you can just go back to the website and just copy the full command from here. You can see the last command, that is dot is slash install NetHunter Termux. So simply click on the copy, and now go back to the Termux. Now paste this command here. Here you can see, so now we pasted this command. So basically what will happen after running this command, it will run this script, and this script will download the Kali Linux for us. Here you can see it started the download process. Let me zoom out. So you can see, so it's going to take some of the time for you. So it's going to take a lot of time, and it depends on your internet connection speed. So here you can see it's downloading the required file, and right now you can see my speed is around 900 KB per second, and it has almost completed 16% of download file. So it will take little time for you, and it just depends on internet connection speed. So you have to just wait here and just let the download process to complete. And one more thing, make sure that you don't have to touch your or just interrupt your internet connection. You just have to make sure that there is not any interruption in between download process. Otherwise it may be possible you will download the corrupted file, and in the result ahead you will face many problems. Okay, so just make sure that you have a very stable internet connection without any type of interruption. So let me come back when this download process will complete. So when the download process will complete, it will show something like this, that is 100% is completed, and after that it will start extracting the downloaded file. And when that extraction will complete, it will ask you something like this. And if you don't want to download this file again, you simply have to keep it. So just to keep it and don't delete it, just simply type here n and hit enter. So most of the time I also don't delete this thing. Okay, now after this it will open something like this. Now you have to simply here type some command. So the first command here is the NetHunter kex PA password PASSWD. So basically this is the command which you only need to run for the first time, and what it will do, it simply start the kex server, and you simply give a password here, and that password will be your password for every time whenever you want to connect to the Kali Linux. Okay, you can see, just type your NetHunter kex passwd. Now just simply hit enter, and now you can see it will ask for the password. So I will just type here the password YouTube. And hit enter. Now just type it again for verification. So I will type here YouTube again and hit enter. Now it will like you to ask you if you want to enable the view only password. So I will simply type here N, that is no, and enter. Now you can see the password is set for the NetHunter server or the kex server. Now what you have to simply need to do is just simply start the kex server. So for that, simply just type your NetHunter space kex. So simply just type here and sign, that is this sign. Okay, so this sign is for just running any process in the background. So just type this and type this command and hit enter like this. Here you can see it is started a process with this process ID. Here you can see this is the process ID, and this is the port number on which you have to connect, and this is the local host address. So simply you have to just open the downloaded kex client app. Here you can see, let me type here kex. Here you can see, so this is the NetHunter kex that you downloaded earlier. So just simply open it. Now give it some permission that it will ask for. Now you can see it has the local host as its default address, which we don't need to change. Just simply keep this section unchanged and just go here and just delete this last text and just type here 1, and just make sure that this is 5901 is exactly the same address which is given here for the port number, that is 5901 here, and the same will also for the NetHunter kex. And after that, just keep the password. So the password which we entered earlier was YouTube. Here you can see this is the password, and I will just click on the keep, so I will not need to write it again. And now I will click on the connect. Now you can see guys, this is the our Kali Linux on Android phone. Now let me first of all zoom in it, and let's open the start menu. So you can see, so these are the tools which come pre-installed in it. For example, when we go to the information gathering section, here we can see that we have the network and port scanner, and we also have the Nmap installed, and Recon NG also comes pre-installed, and there are a lot of sections of different type of tools that you normally use on a PC with Kali Linux, like vulnerability analysis or web application analysis. And when you go to the web application analysis, you can see you will find the SQL map, and even you can install the burp suite for any type of a bug bounty thing you want to do. All the things is already checked by me. I had also run the burp suite on this Kali Linux version, and believe me guys, it was awesome. You can use it for any type of purpose that you normally use on your PC or laptop. And even when you go to the exploitation tools, you will find there is a already pre-installed Armitage, that is the updated version of the Metasploit framework, and you will also find a Metasploit framework here, and you can also create a payload directly from here, and even you can use a terminal. Okay, so there are a lot of tools which comes pre-installed in this version of the Kali Linux, which was officially given by the Kali Linux itself. So like as you can see, so I just made a demo for you. You can just simply watch the YouTube like here and watch any Linux tutorial, and if you want to follow along with that video, just simply open the Kali Linux in the split screen, and it's pretty awesome. You simply just do the WhatsApp chat and just use the Linux. So every time, whenever you want, you simply have your Linux on your smartphone in your pocket. And you know that Kali Linux already come with pre-installed tools. That is a very useful things that you normally use on a PC. A very high-end penetration testing tools comes pre-installed. So this thing is very much useful for all of you. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Okay guys, so one more thing I would like to just continue from here is that how to close this, because most of you commented in my previous video how to close this thing. So just let me do this thing quickly. First of all, you simply have to click on these three dots and click on the disconnect. Okay, now after that you simply have to open the Termux again, and now you have to type here a command called, here you can see the command is also given here, NetHunter KX stop. Let me firstly focus on it. Here you can see NetHunter KX stop. You simply just click on it. Even you can just copy it from here like this, copy it and paste it here and hit enter. So it will start the KX server. And if you want to again open it, just simply type this command, that is the NetHunter KX and sign. That is this command, NetHunter KX and sign. And even after restart this thing, simply type here Termux, open Termux and just type here ls, and we'll see something like this. So simply just type here /install and click on this and just write the full command, that is install NetHunter Termux, and just hit enter, and it will show something like this. So simply type here n, that is no, you don't want to delete a file and you don't want to re-download a thing, just simply type here n and hit enter. And now you can see it's taking the package dependency, and now you can see it's taking the package dependency. So it will not take a lot of time. Here you can see it just completed the whole thing. It will not download a whole file again, and it will not download the file again. Just simply type here n and hit enter, and now again type n and hit enter, and here you can see it's come back to that screen. And now you simply need to type the command that I told you earlier, that is NetHunter KX and here you can see, and now it will again start the server. And now you have to just again open the NetHunter KX and just type the password and just give the port number, and now click on the connect. So it will just again connect to the Kali Linux. Okay, so the process is pretty simple. Just follow along with me and you will have the latest Kali Linux on Android phone. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked it. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.